Hello guys, welcome to another new video. This is the USD yen chart, and in this video I'm going to discuss with you about a beautiful trade setup that I recently executed. Actually two trade setup I'm going to show you. I executed them and I made profit in both trade. As you can see here guys, market is going up. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Market is trending up. Okay, if you just take this low and this higher low, because both of them are trending now. Let's see if I just draw a trend line from here to here. Okay, or you can just do it from here to here. As you can see that market is trending up. Okay, and there is no sign that market is reversing. Okay guys, even in the daily chart, if you draw a trend line, it's pretty much same here. Also in the daily chart, if you draw a trend line, you can see that the trend is going up. Okay, it's a strong trend. Okay, so what I did actually, I went to 4-hour chart, and even though in the 4-hour chart you can see that market is actually made a major pullback right here. Okay, and after that pullback, price actually just keep going up. Then we had another pullback here, then we had another very quick pullback right here. Okay, so when I saw that, so I could understand that market is USD yen market is very strong. USD against UN, Japanese yen, sorry, is strong, so I should look for buy opportunities. Okay, then I had this trade here, right here, just right here. Why this is an imbalance? Okay, because it removed this imbalance right here. Okay, not only that, it actually, you can see that here, the move here, the way it made an order block, and after that the move, ERC 1 ERC candle, 2 ERC candle. So move was very explosive. Okay, so I placed the order here, and I'm just going to show you here, just right there, and I'm just gonna aim for 3R, as you can see here. Okay, I can see that I am I'm in the trade and I made 3R here. Okay, now let me take you to the second trade. See, in the second trade, the same thing, same pattern. I have the same pattern all the time. In the second trade, just right here, you can see, just here, 1 second. So you can see after this order block, we had 1 ERC candle, 2nd ERC candle, and the move was very strong and it did consolidate airway. Okay guys, you can see that. So because of that, and also yeah, and because of that, because of these 2 ERC candle, ERC1, ERC2, I actually placed the order just right here, like this. Guys, you can say that this might be a losing trade, because is it a risky trade? No guys, it's not a risky trade. I followed everything, even though market is a very strong uptrend. So you have to sometimes understand that is the market is is in uptrend, strong uptrend. Okay, and we had also another trade actually guys here, but this trade, 1 second, otherwise I'll forget. But this trade was not executed because of 1 pip or 2 pips. Okay, anyway guys, and so what I did actually, I placed the order here and I am willing to make 3R. and you can see that my trade was executed. Okay, my trade was executed, and now if I if I go to the 15 minutes, then I want to check. Okay, this candle here that was made 12 o'clock in the daytime, it means 12 p.m. okay, so this candle was not a result of news. Okay, it might be, there might be small news, but there was no big important news, so our trade was executed. My trade got executed. I use a very good broker, maybe that's why. Anyway guys, you should also use a very good broker. Okay, so let's see, and you can see that I made 3R. Okay guys, so guys, what I did here, you know, pretty simple. If you go every time frame, weekly market is trending up, daily market is trending up, and of course in the 4-hour chart you must trade them if you get a signal. Okay, 1 2 3, you know, it's pretty simple guys. You just have to, you know, you just have to follow the signals like a robot. You know, you just have to follow your trading plan. You have to believe this trading plan. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video.